Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to level up in Yakuza like a dragon. To truly excel, you need to grasp two key experience types: character experience and job experience. Character experience directly increases your overall level and base stats, while job experience enhances specific job abilities. Don't forget to engage in diverse activities to boost Ikeben's 6 personality stats, like passion and charisma, which unlock new opportunities and jobs. The job system is central to character progression. Every character begins with a unique base job, but they can unlock and switch to many others, such as the enforcer or host. Each job levels up separately, providing new skills and permanent stat increases. Mastering a job allows you to carry over its best skills and stat bonuses to other jobs, creating incredibly versatile and powerful party members. For efficient experience grinding, revisit dungeons like the Sotenbori Battle Arena, which offers substantial experience and valuable items. Look for powerful enemies in specific areas, as they often yield greater rewards. Additionally, completing the many sub-stories and engaging in various side activities throughout the city provides not only experience, but also unique gear and boosts to your personality stats, making your journey smoother. Understanding your character's stats is vital. Attack and magic determine offensive power, while defense and healing affect survivability and support. Agility dictates turn order and evasion, and dexterity impacts accuracy. Always equip the best available weapons, armor, and accessories to enhance these stats and gain resistances to various damage types. Strategic gear choices can turn the tide in challenging battles, ensuring your party is always ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.